Hey guys, it's me, Marcus Carver, and I want to tell you guys that I'm impressed. I'm impressed by you guys subscribing to me and I got a lot of views on some of my videos, and I can't thank you guys enough. And also, I've been trying to. I had a good day in school today. I was with my girlfriend. I'm not gonna tell you her name though. I'm not gonna tell you her name, but I really enjoy school. I mean, I never did when I was in grade school because I had to get up so early because I wasn't used to getting up early yet. But now I am used to getting up early, and I have a girlfriend in school, and when I got out of school, when I was done in school, I went to Goodwill and bought this Rubik's Cube. Now, I've been trying to figure this out lately. I've been stuck doing this, and I don't think the colors aren't in the right pattern in order to solve it. Well, that's the point. The colors are not supposed to be in a pattern. There is no pattern. You just gotta keep going. But I've been trying to solve this for a while now, and it's like crazy. So while I'm doing this, you can subscribe. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to me. And also, you can also help if you want to make this grow. All you have to do is just hit the like button and subscribe and comment. Now, I wasn't getting any comments at all in my videos, but well, I got this. Man, this Rubik's Cube is kind of difficult. Okay, yellows. Another yellow. If I turn it like this, then that, like that. Blues. I got a couple blues on this side. This is so difficult. I mean, I've been trying to figure out this Rubik's Cube, and I just bought it over at Goodwill, and I can't figure it out. It's like Rubik's Cubes are like a puzzle. You have to put the pieces together in a puzzle, but this one you have to put the colors together all over, and it's very frustrating. If I did something like this, then do something like this, and let me just lower this. Wow. I've been trying to solve a Rubik's Cube for a while, and it's not working. So, while I'm doing this, I would like to, tell you guys a question. Here it is. Do you want me to make, do you want me to make, do you want me to make singing videos? Do you want me to sing and play my guitar? And if you want, you can leave a, and if you want me to, you have to leave a like on this video. Leave a like and subscribe. But I want to get to 100 subscribers. So let's keep subscribing, you guys. I didn't see any subscribers yet, so I want you guys to subscribe to me. It's like trying to solve this Rubik's Cube, you know? You have to really watch my videos. Like, watch. For example, let's say this bottom row, was like a clock. And if it ticked like, and the colors switch, and then this, like that, then this, and this, and that. Now you have 3 whites, but nothing else. Then you have 4 whites, and then you have 5 whites. But this Rubik's Cube is hard. And then reds. I have reds here. Wow. This is very difficult. I don't know how to solve this Rubik's Cube, and if you guys know, you can post in the comment section below if you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, wow. Oh, man. Wow. Like, this Rubik's Cube is so difficult to figure out. I mean, okay, like that. Let's say I put the red in the middle like this, and It's like I'm trying to solve this, but I can't put the colors together. Like, I can only do 2 or 3. Like, I got 2 greens. Try it this way. Let's do this. Now we have 4 yellows. 2 yellows. I have 5. Just look at this. I can't... Okay, I got a couple reds and white. But I really like Rubik's Cubes so much. I enjoy doing Rubik's Cubes, no matter if I solve it or not. It's like I'm trying to figure out, okay, I got a couple oranges, so I'm gonna... No, it's not. Let's try it this way. Let's put this one. Let's like this. I have a couple yellows on here. So when I do it this way, more yellows. See? Just like this. But that doesn't count. So I don't know how to solve this at all. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. It's like I'm trying to figure out this Rubik's Cube, but it's not... Well, I don't know how to solve this Rubik's Cube at all, because it's really... Like, it's really difficult. Like it's so hard. I mean, just look at this. I can't even figure this out. All I got is these reds, and that's all. This, these, and these, and these. You have to solve the whole thing. But so confusing. This Rubik's Cube is very difficult. I just can't believe that I'm just doing this and just showing off and making this video, just trying to figure this out. And now I got this. You have to get the whole thing. You have to solve the whole thing on every corner and every size. But I don't know how to solve that, so I'm gonna set that aside. But oh, wait a minute. Okay, it's distracting, so I'm gonna stop right here. So I don't know, but it's time for me to end this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have not, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Oh my god, I think I got it. Oh man, I didn't get it.